Hi there, I'm Joana, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I post drawing videos and cartoons. In honor of Inktober 2019 coming to a conclusion today, and in honor of the fact that I actually did all the challenges, I thought I would do the final challenge a little differently than the ones I've done before. I'm going to do it in real time, and I'm going to demo my process so that you can see what I'm doing. I usually draw on 9x12 Bristol board with my Sailor Fude Nib fountain pen. I really love this fountain pen. But today, I'm going to be drawing on a bigger scale so that you can see. I'm using this big newsprint and a Faber-Castell Pitt artist pen. It's a B pen. When I draw, I always love to draw characters, and I always start from the nose. So that's where I'm going to start today. And my character needs an eye, so let's give him an eye. By the way, the theme for today is ripe, and he's a little surprised because he's going to be biting into a piece of juicy fruit. So give him a surprised eyebrow, and because he's going to be biting into a piece of fruit, I want to do him in profile. So I'm going to continue drawing the face. He has to have teeth to bite, and it's going to be a big piece of juicy fruit, so I'm thinking like a plum. Start it here, give him a thumb. Make sure my head isn't in the way. Here are his fingers. And the rest of his hand, okay, and his arm. And we got to dress this guy. Oh, I better give him an ear too. And how about some hair? I like to draw hair with just some quick, I'm sort of running out of room, but that's okay, make do. And when I draw a head on the side, I think of an oval, so kind of imagining an oval here. It's got a little skinny neck. And he eats his fruit and vegetables. He's kind of buttoned up, so I'm going to give him a buttoned up polo shirt. His other arm here. Let's see. And because he eats so healthily, he's skinny. Okay. His elbow would be about here. And he's going to be kind of like surprised because as he bites into this fruit that he's looking at, it's going to go splish splash. So it's a juicy piece of fruit. It's ripe. And he's surprised, so his hands kind of doing this. Sometimes I have to mime out my gestures to really imagine them. There he is looking kind of surprised. Continue this line down. And he's very healthy, so even though it's beginning to get cold, he's never cold, so we're going to give him shorts. And even though I don't have a whole lot of room, he's got to have some legs, so his knees be about here. And let's make him wearing sneakers. Goes with the healthy. Okay, and he needs two legs, so we can just put in the other one like this. other shoe, the laces. Now that's really beginning to look pretty good. But let's give him some more character. Let's give him a pocket protector. And because he's like me and he likes to draw, let's give him some pens. Here's another pen. Okay. And let's make it a plaid shirt. I do like to keep my illustrations and cartoons simple because I think they read more naturally and more funny that way. Funnier, I guess, is the correct word. Okay. Let's see. Little pocket, the seam of his pants, and how about, and then the only thing maybe that we need, oops, looks like he's wearing an earring, that's okay. Let's give a little shading to the fruit. And maybe I'll just give some dots so he's sort of standing on a horizon. Of course, I have to sign my masterpiece. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do, make sure you toggle on the little bell below, because then you'll get a notification every time I post a new drawing video. Thanks for watching. Bye!